Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word litigant. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The litigant claimed that the contract had been breached and was seeking damages in court. A litigant is a person or group involved in a legal proceeding, such as a lawsuit or court case, seeking resolution or compensation for a dispute. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.